Hi guys, now let's see how to change image into shapes in Canva. So first, let us click on the elements option. Choose an image. I will pick this one. And you can use any other pictures, either from uploads or recently used or an elements group. Now, click the frame on the top, or if it's not there, you can type the word frame and then enter. Now you can see these frames, see all, to browse all the frames available. Now I will choose this heart frame. I will drag the image inside the frame. Now we have changed the image into shape. We can resize it, double click on the picture to adjust it on the shape. You can also zoom in or zoom out like that. Aside from that, we can edit the picture. We can still edit the picture by clicking it and browse the filters, the effects. We can still edit it. So that's it. That's how we change image into shapes in Canva. See you soon.